You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these Japanese names if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary and names from Japan that many get wrong. Stay tuned. Let's break it down. Sanae, the Japanese pronunciation. How to pronounce Sanae. Sanae. Therefore, in English, it is usually pronounced as Sanae. Sanae from Japanese, Sanae. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.